Hey everyone, I'm Vadim. I'm a video tech specialist here at Nagios, and today we're going to be going over alerts in Nagios log server. Alerts are the one key element for making sure you're on top of potential issues. I'll show you how you could quickly get alerts added so you could get notified. Let's jump right in. To start alerting, go to the left-hand panel and click Alerting. Under Alerts, you'll find Query, Real-Time, and Host Freshness. These are the different types of alerts that can be found. We see an alert that's been created by Nagios admin called 404 errors. And this was added at this date. The status says OK, and the alert output says 0 matching, and the notification method is to email to Nagios administrator. To create a new alert, click New Alert. Then it'll prompt you to create a new name. We'll name it SSH errors. And for the type, you could change it from query, real-time, and host freshness. This will also change some of the settings like criteria and thresholds. For my example, I'll be selecting query. And under that query, we will select failed SSH logins. And for check interval, this is the amount of time you want each check to be. So I'll do 1M, which is 1 minute. You could also do 1 second. I would recommend at least 1 minute or more. And the look back period would be how far back it grabs logs. We'll do 15M or 15 minutes. The threshold I will put as 2. And for critical, I'll put 5. And for notification method, you could change this to Nagios using NRDP. You could have it execute a script, send an SNMP trap, or email user. For this example, we'll select email user, and you could select the user that you have. I only have one, so I'll select Nagios admin. And if you select take ownership, create alert. And now we could see that it is pending and it's waiting for a check to be ran. If you wanted to check this right away, click the 3 dots on the right and press run this alert now. This will instantaneously run the alert, and you could see that it's okay. And to view any alert histories, you could click this button and see what kind of alerts it's been sending out. And now you could stay on top of alerts in Nagios log server. If you've enjoyed this video, make sure to check out our YouTube channel for more helpful tutorials. And if you had any further questions, please visit support.nagios.com. I'll see you in the next one.